What's up, guys? Brian here. I know you're not going to be able to see it because the lighting just sucks. But there it is right there. We decided to do chrome. That thing looks so sweet. Anyways. It's got a flowmaster on it. You can kind of see how I got that all piped in there. That's the flowmaster. Where'd my keys go? Oh, they're probably sitting on the seat. I wanted you guys to hear this bad boy, the black beast. Ugh. Okay, let's start this bad boy up. It was already warmed up, guys. I'm not just revving it just to rev it. You already knew that, but anyways. I'm gonna set you guys over here. We'll see how the audio sounds from back here. That sounds good, guys. Man, that sounds good. Anyways, hope you like the stack. Sorry, guys, I had to leave it chrome. It just fits the truck so well. Everything else is chrome. It's chrome and black, you know, so. There's a landscape view for you. You guys probably don't like the landscape because you're all looking sideways or whatever. Anyways, there you go, baby. Pound that like button and pound that subscribe button. I gotta clean up this crap and I gotta go ASAP. We're already supposed to go to dinner or something. All right, bye.